Welcome to LivGen. In this video, we'll show you how to create multiple videos at once using our batch video synthesis feature. To get started, visit our website and navigate to the batch video synthesis feature from the main menu or find it in the lab section. Click Add Template. You can browse the template store, filter for your needs, and add the desired template. You can also edit, duplicate, or delete existing templates. Once ready, click Next Step. Add your digital avatars from the avatar library by selecting one or multiple options. Then add video dialogues by uploading Excel file, using our extract and AI generator, or directly inputting the dialogues. After adding one or more segments of dialogue, you can also include opening or ending videos. Click Next Step when done. Select the number of videos you want to synthesize and set your priority materials. The composition rule will check based on the selected priority material. Once everything is set, click Start Creation. Wait a moment, LivGen will create all your videos simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Click Download All or Preview, download, and edit each video individually. And that's it. Produce high-quality videos in bulk with LivGen's batch video synthesis feature. Start now and maximize your efficiency.